In this video, we're going to see a Blockdag review. Blockdag, or direct acyclic graph, is a blockchain architecture designed to improve the scalability and transaction throughput of traditional blockchains by allowing multiple blocks to be added simultaneously instead of sequentially like in Bitcoin or Ethereum. It has parallel block creation that enables faster transaction confirmation, high scalability compared to standard blockchains. It's better for decentralization due to increased mining or fork tolerance. Also, it's used in projects like Caspa, Phantom, and Nano. Much higher transaction throughput and speed reduces network congestion and bottlenecks and more efficient use of network nodes. But, however, it's still an emerging technology, not yet mainstream. Complexity makes development and security more challenging, and fewer mature projects use it compared to traditional blockchains. So Blockdag is a promising blockchain evolution focused on speed and scalability, making it ideal for high-volume use cases. While it's not as battle-tested as traditional blockchain models, it's gaining traction in next-gen crypto projects aiming to solve performance limitations. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.